Zoom in and out of the model with your mouse scroll. Right-click to orient the model the way you like. Use the icons on the right to view the model/treatment plan in different views and planes. Press Initial to show a superimposition view indicating the movements that were done. The purple shows the initial teeth position, and the white shows the final position. Turn off superimposition by pressing Initial again. Press play to check the tooth movement per step in a video view until it reaches the final result. Adjust the speed of the steps preview by pressing 1x speed or 2x speed. If you would prefer a shorter viewing period for each step, press the Next button to manually move from one step to another. Take a screenshot of the model by pressing the camera icon in the top left corner. In the link, you have access to check the staging of each tooth. It shows the different movements done to a specific tooth, movement per aligner, and when they start moving. By pressing the movement icon, a report will pop up indicating movement details per tooth in each arch. The contacts icon shows the contacts between the upper and lower arches. The Bolton icon provides a detailed chart indicating any Bolton discrepancy and shows the quantity of excess in case of discrepancy. The Photos icon shows your patient's records. You can use 2D and 3D measurements. The Generic Guide feature provides you with a vertical and horizontal line that you can adjust and use accordingly. Layouts can be used when you submit your patient's CBCT, and it is integrated within the treatment plan. View the interproximal spacing between teeth. The report icon shows the different types of tooth movements, attachments to be placed, and IPR to be done. The mesh on the right column allows you to select what you want to show or hide for better viewing of the plan. The Objects section allows you to hide the attachments or IPR, so you can check the treatment plan without them if present.